بلاد الحرمين, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Gelişim Üniversitesi festival devam ediyor. Görüşünüz üzere. Welcome to Suudi Arabistan.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. تحياتي لكم من السعودية. Thank you Aziz Kaltasi.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Nice to see you.
Again, hello audiences. We are now continuing as a presenting in Gelişim University. So here's our guest. Let him introduce himself. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, I am Mohammed Sadiq Karim. I am from Iraq. I am an aeronautical engineering student.
You are a student here. Is it first time you are presenting here?
Yes.
Participation?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, welcome. Thank you so much for Al Azim Consulting.
Thank you very much too.
Welcome.
Festivala kaldığımız yerden heyecanlı devam ediyoruz.
Hello, my name is Rama. I'm a student here in aviation management, second years.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Welcome. I'm from Syria, by the way. This is our culture. We've been here today for our culture. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too. Thank you, Al Azim Consulting.
Thank you.